Gatagati ka honge ithatu cia thirikari, ruhonge rwa magoti-ini ruru ragairwo kigiina kiria kinini muno thiini wa mbanjeti ya mwaka wa 2021-2022 iria irathomirwo cikaro-ini cia mbunge muthenya wa ira. Akiaria igongona-ini ria kwihitithia president wa igoti ria gucokia maciira riko Daniel Masinga, mucirithania munene Martha Koome augite ciringi bilioni 17 iria ruhonge ruru ruragairwo itingiringithanio na mabataro ma ruhonge ruru.
This has been the indicative budget amount for the judiciary for the first several years. And Mr. Speaker, you can see how dilapidated we are operating from this museum, which I've wondered why the Ministry of Health has not condemned it as unfit for human habitation.
Koome akigweta waki wa magoti 36 uria wambite gukwama kumana na unyihu wa Kigiina.
If we have to tackle the backlog of cases, if we have to adopt technology to enhance efficiency across the courts, if we have to improve the infrastructure, because it is imperative also for the judiciary to serve the public with dignity, and taking justice closer to the people, increasing the speed of resolution of cases, and coordination of the justice across, we require funds allocated to the judiciary.
Na hari miario ya kuonekana kwaga kuiganira na mbanjeti iria iraheanirwo, mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga augite mbanjeti ino ndiri na undu wa gukenia Wanjiku.
Tunakuwa na budget ya trilioni 3 na laki 6 bilioni, lakini mingi itaenda kwa mfuko ya watu binafsi, wale wezi wanaiba. Unakuta hawa sasa wanatembea na magari makubwa, wamejenga manyumba ya ghorofa katika soko huko Risabuni, wanajenga manyumba hili kama palace huko Risabuni, wananunua apartment blocks kule Nairobi. Wananchi wanahangaika.
Maya magithiaga na mbere ngwataniro ya kuramata wendia wa mbaki guku bururi-ini ninyitite mbaru kuongererwo kwa igoti ria imwe cia indo iria ithondekagwo na mbaki. Thiini wa ndumiriri kuri nyumba cia mohoro, ngwataniro ino yugite riri ni ikinya riega ikiuria mbunge kuhitukia riendekithia riri. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Kigiina wa Wadiro.